Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by connecting your account and getting mail flowing. Add your email and complete authentication so Outlook can fetch messages. Once done, set the default mailbox and choose whether focused inbox stays on. Make sure sync period matches your needs, 1 month for light use, 3 months for deeper history, because sync affects search and storage. Also verify send/receive frequency so new mail arrives promptly. This prepares Outlook to show consistent, searchable messages and lets you move to organizing features immediately. Once your mail is syncing, organize with folders, rules, and search so you spend less time hunting. Create logical folders and subfolders, then build rules that move or tag messages automatically. This automates repetitive sorting and prevents clutter. Use categories and flags for quick prioritization and combine search operators like from, subject, and date ranges to locate items fast. Make sure to save frequent searches or set up smart folders. Doing so reduces friction and keeps your workflow steady when inbox volume. Finish by mastering calendar and automation to complete your setup. Link and share calendars, set working hours and default reminders so meetings respect your availability. Once configured, quick steps and templates let you send common replies or file messages with one click. If something goes wrong, export a PSD as a backup, reset account sync, and clear the local cache to refresh views. If messages still fail to appear, check connection status and re-enter credentials. This often resolves sync or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.